Alright, let's get started. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to Chennai. This is going to be the first ride which I am taking my Nora out for a long stretch. It will be around 310 kilometers. Sparring podrana avan. Go back. Come on Nora, you can do it. Okay, so I didn't fuel up yet and I'm searching for a good petrol pump. I don't know why guys, but I always prefer HP or Bharat over Indian oil. Poi. Look at the guy, how she crossed. So there are a lot of idiots like them on the road. We need to be very careful on them. So guys, I had been living in Chennai for 7 years. So now that I'm going to Chennai for a small work, I will recollect some of the memories that I had. The weather is so hot. Here it's bearable, but once we started to go near Chennai, I think we will feel the heat wave. Okay, I missed that HP petrol bunk here. No issues. We'll look for another petrol bunk and refuel because I have some fuel left over. Let's check what is the range I am having. 192. This may not be accurate. Let's keep it as 150. So we have enough fuel for the next 150 kilometers. Guys, as some of you would have already known that I will start my rides at early morning. But this time I started at 1 p.m. afternoon due to the plans that I have. So Nora has just done with her first service, the first free service. The total amount is 2188. This includes the oil change, oil filter change, consumable charges, tack, polishing, chain cleaning, lubing, all of this. Nothing major. But this itself has come to 2188 rupees. Before my first service, I was maintaining steady at 60 or maximum 80 kilometers. Now that the first service has been done, I am pushing Nora to see her limits. Actually, in the third year I pushed her, she has reached 105 kilometers per hour in the third year. Now I am cruising at 110. On the fifth gear, it's going butter smooth guys. It's very relaxed riding position, smooth engine. That's what I like the most on Nora. We need to enter Andhra Pradesh and then from Andhra Pradesh we need to cross the Tamil Nadu border. Guys, 120 is the maximum she is reaching. That is on 5th gear. Let me try accelerating it to the maximum in the 3rd and 4th gear and then switch to the 5th gear to see its maximum speed. Okay guys, right now I am in 3rd gear. Let's check the maximum speed that it goes in 3rd. No guys, it's missed. Let's try this on another road. ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಒಂದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೀಟ್ರು 89 ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಫುಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಂ ಜಿ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಲಾ ಹಾಂ ಸಾಕು ಹಾಂ ಫ್ರೀ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ 100 rupees ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ 6 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The petrol price here is too low guys. Price has been reduced now or only here it is reduced, I don't know. Guys, Nora's doing very well on the highways. 80 to 100 kilometers is the sweet spot. She is doing very good. Even the brakes are very good. With both the brakes combined, it gives an efficient braking. So no need to worry about going and hitting because it has a dual channel ABS. looking for some roadside shops. Okay guys, I'll continue after the tea break. That is Nelly toll gate, so that's the name they told. And you see a green board over there, that's the border. This is Karnataka and that is Andhra. Now we are about to cross the Karnataka Andhra border. Let's get going. Okay, from here Chennai is 228 kilometers. That girl was so shy to show her face on the camera. The roads inside Andhra Pradesh are very good. See, there's not much crowd. The highways are open and very smooth. I'm loving driving on this road. Cross 177 kilometers now. Guys, Nora is precious. What a gem of a machine that Honda has produced. Seriously guys, such a butter smooth engine. It's literally floating on 100 to 110 kilometers. Literally it is floating. I never feel tired. What a comfort. I'm so happy that I put an investment on such a beautiful machine. Absolute gem of a machine this is. Nora, you beauty. I'm not even feeling a small tiredness guys. But I won't say that it has zero vibrations like how other people will exaggerate it. It has vibrations, but very, 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 very minimal guys. Very minimal. I'm coming from Dominar. I know how it will feel after I cross 100 kilometers in Dominar. Now I covered almost 200, but I still have the same energy. Beautiful machine guys, seriously. Okay, there's a level crossing here. Chennai is 137 kilometers. Sri Perumbudur is 115 kilometers. I'm loving guys. Even if I wanted to go 500, 600 kilometers at a stretch, I can do that with Nora. She is an absolute beautiful machine. We are inside Tamil Nadu now. Ranipet. I believe the roads will be as good as it was in the Andhra Pradesh. The lane change and all are very good. Easily you can change the lane. See? It's very, very easy. People are just checking one side of the road for crossing, but the road is actually a two-way. Thiruvalluvar University. Okay guys, there is 36 more kilometers to reach Kanchipuram. The only concern what I have in this machine is the mileage, because it's very hard to stay on the economy. As you see, the economy light is not on, which means it is consuming higher fuel. I'm not revving it hard, but still I'm not able to get that economy light on even when I'm cruising in 100 and 110 kilometers. The mileage I'm getting now is 29.3. I had seen this one had given 40 kilometer per liter mileage in the city when I was cruising at 90 kilometers per hour, 80 kilometers per hour. But if you really wanted to take the efficient mileage out of it, you need to maintain it under 70 or 80 kilometers per hour as a cruising speed. Then you'll definitely get 40. Some of the folks has reported even 44 and 45 kilometers. It all depends on how we drive it, how we ride it. 15 more kilometers to reach Sri Perumbudur, guys. We are almost inside the city now. The time is now 5:30. I'm not feeling the heat. The sun is almost gonna set down. Slowly when we start going inside the city, I could see increased traffic. Chennai is nevertheless comparing to Bengaluru. Okay, traffic started. Chennai is starting to show its face. I've reached airport. It's been long, so long. It feels really good, guys. The outer side of the airports are now so much decorated. A lot of things have been changed. Compared to Bangalore, the Chennai traffic is better, guys. Here the people are moving at least, but there we need to switch off the engine and wait for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Okay guys, I'll be ending my vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Stay connected with my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you. Take care. Bye.